Mike from ACT. We're at the 2011 SEMA show. We'll talk a little bit about our street disc today. We don't take a factory disc and do a reline. We actually build these in-house. We use our own organic material with high copper content, which aids in coefficient of friction, also helps to dissipate the heat quicker if the clutch does happen to build up a lot of heat. We use our own proprietary heat-treated spring retaining windows. We use our own design to help to eliminate or dissipate the stress points where typically you see failure or cracking. Our hubs are forged chrome moly. We use our own broaches in-house to ensure you're getting quality and pristine cut that you would get from factory. Most of our discs come with a 4-window, 8-spring design that helps dampen the torsional vibration and initial shock that's put into the driveline itself. Drive plates go through a multi-stage heat treat process proprietary to our own company. The disc that you're getting from us is a high-performance unit. It's not a factory disc, even with the street disc. Specifically on our SS model disc, we use steel back lining that gives a better bond to the drive plate. Also helps to dissipate the heat, once again, prolonging the life and giving you a better clutch accessory. These are our puck style discs. They come in a 4 and a 6 puck variety, both in a rigid and a sprung hub design. What you're seeing here today is a sprung hub. Once again, it's still using the proprietary sprung hub window retainer that goes through a multi-stage heat treat process. Also, the springs itself. This you'll see here, there's 4 springs as opposed to 8. That all depends on the hub type, disc type, and essentially what the car needs specifically. Once again, we're using the sprung hub version of it that is broached inside our facility, so the quality control is quite tight and you're sure you get the quality part. We use the treated drive plates itself, which we talked about. The friction material that we use for the puck style disc is cerammetallic. It has a nice high coefficient of friction, gives you a higher clamp load, not a higher clamp load, but a 28% increase in coefficient of friction over an organic lining. This is great for drag race, rally race, and not really recommended for street use due to its harsh engagement. It's a very aggressive disc designed for aggressive driving styles. The various discs that ACT has to offer. We have everything from our SS disc, which is our performance street disc, an SD disc, which is a full-face solid hub disc or rigid hub disc. We have these for the Evos and some of the Honda B series. We offer the 6-puck both in a sprung and a rigid, 4-puck and a sprung and a rigid, depending on what your driving needs are. If you're running a more aggressive drag race setup where you just have a lot of power, you can also go with the centered iron disc. It's a heavier disc, but it holds a lot of power and will definitely be very good for your drag racing applications when needed. The 4-puck and the 6-puck and the sprung hub helps to eliminate torsional vibration, which can lead to a noisy drive line. That's something we developed several years ago and has been a very popular mover for us. Anything in a 4-puck is really recommended for race use only. Typically you'll see this in road race, but it has a lower weight and lower mass. It helps to really reduce the inertial properties and give you a nice snap and throttle response. The 6-puck is more of a race application. A lot of guys driving on the street because they're just producing the power, and that's what they need. 9 times out of 10, the customer calls in, they're building the car for street use, we're going to recommend a solid hub. A solid hub with a sprung hub, full-face organic street disc. Give you great lights, great engagement, and just give your car the better feel that you're looking for. These are the twin discs that ACT offers. The one I'm showing you right now is our street twin disc that we offer for the LS Corvettes and Camaros, GTOs, and the CTS-Vs. We also offer this for the modular Mustangs and the new 5.0 Coyote Mustang. And also the Challenger will be coming out with twin disc as well. What's unique about the design that we do here is we run a twin full-face organic disc with a strap floater plate. What the strap floater plate does is it ensures you get a proper air gap between both discs and also for nice quiet operation. As you can see in green, we have the cutaway here. We have both the bottom disc and the top disc. Blue is your contact surfaces of the pressure plate and the floater plate itself. The floater plate is a steel piece here, which is imperative for any twin disc or multi-disc design. The face here is actually what is applying the pressure through the diaphragm itself and the cover. All these twin discs we offer come with the flywheel. They're all balanced from the factory, set up, ready to go. You install it, go put it on a track, go put it in the street, and just have a good time with it. This specific clutch is a T1S G01. It'll hold 850 foot-pounds of torque at the crank with virtually no pedal increase over the factory unit. For you guys that are in the sport compact world and doing some racing, we offer our new 7 1/4 twin disc. This actual clutch kit here will hold 770 foot-pounds of torque at the crank with a minimal clamp load increase. It is going to be a noisier design because it is a post design. So when your foot's on the pedal and the clutch is released, you'll get a little bit of rattling noise. That's typical, but it's, like I said, it's for a race application. It's running a 7 1/4 twin-inch disc. Has a centered iron material. Has a high coefficient of friction and also holds a lot of heat. Very low inertial properties. Very good snappy throttle response. Ideal for road race, rally race applications. Some guys drive them on the street, but we don't recommend it. 7 1/4 we offer for the Honda B series and the early cable, late cable, and hydraulic. We also offer it for the K series Honda, the DSMs with the 4G63 covering your Eagle Talons, your Mitsubishi Eclipse, and also some of the Galops in the all-wheel drive format. We also have the SRT4 guys covered with this as well. Once again, this is our 7 1/4 twin disc race application for the Sport Compact series.